36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there will be no walking around, talking, sleeping, smoking, driving, eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full attention to the court, and please remain in the camera. Please remain in the camera. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. We're going to start with Mr. Rubey. Everyone, when I call your name, please let Ms. Warfield, the attorney, say her name first, and then you can say your name. This is the People versus AWS, Rubey, ticket number SP 1378680, count 1, improper place. Good morning. Please state your names for the record, starting with Ms. Asmar.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sarah, Michigan Court Qualified Arabic Interpreter.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to English to Arabic and Arabic to English to the best of your ability?
I do.
Can you interpret calling the case, Ms. Asmar, please?
Absolutely. حاليا ننادي القضية المرقمة SP 137868001. التهمة الأولى إنه لوحة سيارة غير منظمة وهي ضد السيد أوس الربيعي.
نعم.
Yes. Ms. Warfield, can you say your name?
Your Honor, I believe Ms. Soroki was the one who spoke with this client, and she is on.
These are all, the ones that we pulled out, they're all no POs.
Not a problem, Your Honor. Attorney Jessica Warfield, P85391 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Rubey, can you say your name, please? Oh, go ahead. I'm sorry. Go ahead, Ms. Asmar. Sorry.
سيد الربيعي اذكر اسمك الكامل.
أوس حكمة الربيعي.
أوس حكمة الربيعي.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It's 10:19 and no officer has appeared.
Your Honor.
هذه المحكمة التمهيدية كانت مجدولة في النظر بها الساعة 9. حاليا الساعة 10:19 والشرطي غير موجود.
Your Honor, being that today was the time and date set for trial and an officer has not appeared, I am making a motion that the Rubey's matter be dismissed due to the lack of a complaining witness being present.
أنا رح أطلب من المحكمة هاليوم تسكرون القضية لأنه الضابط اللي نطى المخالفة ما حضر للمحكمة.
Okay.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Rubey. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
المحكمة سقطت القضية مع احتمالية فتحها في المستقبل. أتمنى لك الموفقية سيد ربيعي. انتهينا. Thank you, Your Honor.
شكرا.
Mr. Richardson, Marquez Richardson, come into the camera, remain in the camera.
Yes.
You're all set, you can hang up. This is the People versus Francisco Robinson. Ticket number SP 1374709, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jessica Warfield, P85391 on behalf of Mr. Francisco, who is present via Zoom. Can you please state your name for the record, Mr. Robinson? I'm sorry.
He's not connected to audio.
Oh, his audio is not connected. He's here, but we'll just keep on going. Ms. Warfield, go ahead.
Your Honor, today was the time and date set for trial. It's my understanding that a complaining witness is not present, so I am making a motion to dismiss Mr. Robinson's matters.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. He is all set. If he connects, we'll let him know.
Okay.
If he doesn't, hang up on him. All right, so this is the People versus Edward Duhart, ticket number P1373693, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 2, drove while unlicensed. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Attorney Jessica Warfield, P85391 on behalf of Mr. Duhart. Mr. Duhart, can you please state your name for the record?
Edward Duhart.
Your Honor, today was the time and date set for trial. It is my understanding that a complaining witness is not present, so I am making a motion to dismiss Mr. Duhart's matters for the lack of a complaining witness.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Duhart. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
This is the people versus John Davis, ticket number SP 1387648. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. And ticket number SP 1387632. Count 1, registration and or plate violation of plate. Count 2, defective windshield, and count 3, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say your name.
Attorney Jessica Warfield, P 85391 on behalf of Mr. Davis. Mr. Davis, can you please state your name for the record?
John Davis.
Thank you. Your Honor, today was the time and date set for trial for Mr. Davis's matters. I am making a motion to dismiss due to the lack of presence of a complaining witness.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Davis. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Versus is Saria Drag out? Oh, Saria Drag, ticket number SP 1383726, count 1, leave scene of accident, property damage, and
No, just call,
that's it. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Attorney Jessica Warfield, P 85391 on behalf of Ms. Drag, who is present via Zoom. Ms. Drag, can you please state your name for the record?
CR334.
Your Honor, today was the time and date set for trial for Ms. Drag's matter. It's my understanding that a complaining witness is not present, so I'm making a motion to dismiss.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Drag. Good luck to you, ma'am. All right. This is the people versus Martaz Richardson, ticket number SP 1366179, count 1, driver license suspended. Ticket number SX 3143713, count 1, drove while license suspended. Ticket number 1542687, count 1, drove while license not valid. Ticket number SP 1277575, count 1, drive while license suspended, repeat offender. Ticket number SP 1277567, count 1, loiter in a place of illegal occupation with intent to engage, count 2, loud music from motor vehicle more than 10 feet away, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Wait a minute. Ticket number 1843822, count 1, improper display of license plate. And lastly, ticket number 1622432, count 1, no operator's license in possession. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Attorney Jessica Warfield, P 85391 on behalf of Mr. Richardson, who was present via Zoom. Mr. Richardson, can you please state your name for the record?
Martaz Richardson.
Your Honor, today was the time and date set for trial for all of Mr. Richardson's matters. It is my understanding that a complaining witness is not present, so I am making a motion to dismiss at this time.
All right, all these matters are dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Richardson, you got really lucky today. And I don't know if these things really happened if you were driving without a license or while your license was suspended. But I will say that there's a pattern in these tickets. If this is true, I hope from this point on, you make better decisions, sir, because you've really been given a solid today. And so I just hope you kind of get your stuff together. Usually I'll say another word, but I'm trying to be professional, but get it together. And and just make better decisions. All right, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, has Mr. Robinson? I don't think you've spoken to Ms. Dawson. Her. Or
And
Mr.
Mr. Dismule, turn on your video. Judge, want me to send Mr. Robinson a chat?
Yeah, yes, you can do that.
Let's see, Mr. Leave, okay. Hopefully he's not looking. Oh God. He's not even looking.
I just spoke with some lady, attorney.
I'm talking about Mr. Francisco Robinson.
Oh, I thought you was talking to me. I'm sorry.
Matters, well. He's not looking at, well, I sent him two, but he's not looking.
Oh.
Let me screen share. Screen share what sent a message since he got his camera.
Mr. Dismute, what,
Yeah.
what were you planning on doing, sir?
She said, please,
You're gonna take
guilty.
the offer? You're gonna take the offer?
Yeah, she said, plead guilty to open alcohol.
Okay, so are you okay if Attorney Warfield does the plea, or would you rather wait for Mr. Roki? Because otherwise we could just do it now.
I'm okay with it.
Okay, so hers is, Mr. Dismuke is a plea to, open alcohol, no motor vehicle passenger. And. That was it, right, Mr. Horn? Can you hear me? It was just.
I can hear you. Yes, Judge, it would be a plea to open intox passenger. The people are moving for dismissal on the OWVI. It was written incorrectly. It should have been issued by warrant. And yep, he has an open blockading ticket.
I got it. Okay.
Yep.
So, and dismissing the blockading as well, correct?
No, it's actually in default. It defaulted in March of 2022. So he owes 210 on it.
I got it. Okay.
Yep.
I understand. All right.
Yep.
So this, are you okay to proceed?
Huh?
Ms. Warfield, are you okay?
Oh, I'm ready. Yes, I'm sorry. I can.
This is the People versus James Dismute, ticket number SP 1231888, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, and count 2, operating or visibly impaired. Good morning, please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jessica Warfield, P85391, on behalf of Mr. Dismute. Mr. Dismute, can you please state your name for the record?
James Dismute.
All right, there is an offer of reducing count 1 to open alcohol passengers. My understanding the client wishes to avail himself of that offer. Mr. Dismute, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, yes.
With your head down, you've had an opportunity to speak to an attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yeah.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Case.
You're muted, Mr. Dismute. Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
No.
You're not guilty?
I'm not guilty of, yeah, for the open, having an open alcohol in the car.
You understand that
Blockade.
by, you understand that by guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yeah, yeah. Mhm.
Knowing that make sure you say yes or no, sir.
Yes,
Knowing
yes,
that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of July 30th, 2021 at 3:10 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Washburn and I-96 in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2003 Chevrolet vehicle?
I was pulled over in park. Yes.
Did you have an open alcohol did you have open alcohol in that one?
Yeah, he said he found a half a bottle in the car. Yep.
Are you
So
saying
yeah.
yes? You're satisfied, Ms. Warfield?
So satisfied, Your Honor.
Court's also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission and amend that count to open alcohol passenger. You stipulate the proper cause as to count 2 to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
And then we'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Mr. Dismute, can you have that fine paid by March 20th?
Yes.
Do you have any questions, sir?
Yeah, when can I get my license reinstated? 'Cause I got to back and forth to work. So.
Well, you got to get this taken care of, you've done that. And there may be some reinstatement fees you need to pay also. I'm not sure.
Oh, so I just go to Secretary of State and pay the reinstatement fees and then pay the ticket by March the 20th.
You're right. You can pay the ticket and the reinstatement fees all, I think, here at the court.
I can pay the court? Okay, thank you.
You also have a civil infraction as well, though, I don't know if that stops you from getting your license, but you have a civil infraction that you owe $210 on.
Yeah, that's when I asked the attorney about. She said blocking traffic, but I was already parked. How was I blocked? That's what I never got a court date.
Right, it's already in default. When you get your ticket, you have so many days to contest it, and you missed that window, so it went into default automatically. So you owe money.
Okay. So I come out to the court, just pay all that off, and I'll be good.
I'm gonna say you'll be good. I don't know.
Oh.
But you would have gotten this taken care of. I'll say that.
Okay.
All right. So good luck to you, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Megan Robinson, turn on your video.
Can I leave now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thanks.
Well, this is the people. One moment, please. You got it. Yes,
My
sir.
hair is somewhere.
Okay, this is the people versus Tabitha Dawson, ticket number SP 1380660, count 1, drove without cycle endorsement / no moped license, count 2. Strike that. I don't see one ticket. Is there more than one ticket here? Yeah, we'll pull up. Ticket number SP 1389499, count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, failed to stop at the stop sign. And then looks like, oh, count 1 was no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jessica Warfield, P85391 on behalf of Ms. Dawson.
Ms. Dawson, say your name, ma'am. Ms. Dawson, can you unmute yourself, say your name? Look on the bottom left-hand corner to unmute yourself.
Sorry, Tabitha Dawson. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. All right, it looks like there's an offer that if she please to count 2 and 3, blockading and no proof of insurance, then the rest of these matters would be dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Dawson,
Yes, ma'am.
wanted to avail yourself to that offer?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you stipulate to the face of the tickets, Ms. Warfield?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, the court will amend count 3 to blockading. Stipulate the proper cause of the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There is a fine for the no proof of insurance of $195. And then for the blockading, there's a fine of $175. So it's gonna be a total of
You mind me asking you what's blockading?
$370. Blockading is I don't know, it's like you're blocking traffic or something. It's no points though. So they amended the fail to stop for stop sign, which would be points. They amended that to blockading for no points. So essentially, it's like the ideal plea that you want whenever you go to traffic work. So you got that, but I mean, you still have the no proof of insurance. So it makes your fine a total of $370. Here's the thing though, with civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay it, which would be by March 2nd. Can you have that $370 paid by then?
Oh my God.
Okay,
I got
so
half of it. I got half of it now.
What I'll do is I'll give you to March 16th to pay it.
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem. The only thing is that if you don't pay it, they don't close out and you'll incur late fees. So they'll cost even more. So just make sure you just do your best. If you need to get on a payment plan, you need to come down to the court and I'll put it on here that.
Okay, I'm gonna come down. I'm gonna do that. Because I got half right now.
You need to put at least 25% down by the due date.
Which is what? I got like 150, 160 now.
I think that would be at least 25% down. So
okay.
You just need to do it by the due date.
Okay, but can I come down there today and put the 160 down?
I will wait at least till tomorrow so it can get into the computer system.
Okay.
All right, any other questions?
No, ma'am, and thank you. And I do have insurance right now.
You do have valid insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
You got it with you?
Yes, ma'am, right here. Let me see if you can see it.
Can you see the expiration date?
Hold on, let me make sure you can see this.
I just need to see that.
We need to see the expiration date, man.
Yeah, I need to see the expiration date.
Oh, okay.
It's highlighted in yellow, but I can't see that.
It says 8. Hold on, let me sit it up here where you can see it. Here you go, right here.
2023.
Yeah, it looks like August 2023. All right. You say to probable cause as to the no proof of insurance for valid documentation.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so that matter is dismissed. So now, Ms. Dawson, you just owe the $175.
Okay, I'm gonna come and pay that today. Well, tomorrow.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're all set. You're all set. You got registration? Well, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You're all set.
Right here. Okay.
You're good. You're good.
Thank you. Have a good day. I can leave now? Thank you.
Your Honor, are these remaining matters in the courtroom, no officers as well, or are these pleas?
We did all those. I think they may be pleased. So I'll find out in one moment.
I think mine's is a no officer.
Who said that?
Jonathan Rhodes.
Yeah, it is.
I didn't even check in.
Me either.
Yes, Ms. Rhodes' officer did not sign in.
Yeah, I can get you signed in. Okay, this is the people versus Janitha Rhodes, ticket number SP 1384877, count one, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jessica Warfield, P85391 on behalf of Ms. Rhodes. Ms. Rhodes, can you please state your name for the record?
Janitha Rhodes.
Your Honor, today was the time and date set for trial for Ms. Rhodes' matter. It is my understanding that an officer has not appeared, so I am making a motion to dismiss based off of lack of a complaining witness being present.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Ms. Rhodes, good luck to you.
Thank you. You guys have a great day.
You too.
What are you, Miss Richards, Christine Richards? You're Miss Christine Richards? You're muted, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
Oh, Ms. Soroki, what are you doing on Christine Richards? Because I don't have the offer in.
Okay, just a second, I'm sorry. So Christine Richards, Your Honor, she showed me her documentation. Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant. Did you call it?
I haven't called.
Okay, just go ahead.
This is the people versus Megan. I'm sorry, that's the wrong thing. Christine Richards, ticket number SP 13814. I'm sorry, SP 1385140, count one, disregard. Hold on. I think it's count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Christine Richards.
Say your name, Ms. Richards. Ms. Richards, say your name.
Oh, Christine Richards.
Your Honor, Ms. Richards provided a proof of insurance which expires on 3/6/2023. I'm moving for dismissal of her matter.
You stipulate the proper cause.
So stipulated.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Richards. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. What about Megan Robinson?
Yes, hi.
The people versus Megan Robinson, ticket number SP 13836. You can leave, Ms. Richards.
Okay.
Count two, disregard, I'm sorry, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor,
Megan Robinson.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Megan Robinson, Your Honor, this matter is set for trial today. The officer did not appear. Moving for dismissal.
No, he did appear. He did appear.
Well, is he here now?
He told me to call him when, because he had to check into another courtroom.
Oh, yeah, he did check in. He called in, and it was also a count one, disregard traffic control device.
Was there an offer in the file?
I don't have an offer.
And Ms. Horn just chatted and said she'll be right back.
Okay. Can you pull out SOS? We'll pull our SOS.
Thank you.
What about Janae Davis? You ready on that one?
Yes.
This is the people versus Janae Davis, ticket number SP 1387798, count one, driver's license never acquired, count two, driving register or entitled vehicle, and count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Janae.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Janae Davis, Your Honor, she did present documentation today, and with the police officer's consent, all matters are being dismissed. We would stipulate probable cause.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Davis. Good luck to you, ma'am.
So are dismissed?
Yes.
Okay, and will I get like paperwork just for my records, for my keeping on this matter?
You can look online and pull it up and print it out.
Okay, also, Your Honor, did they address my other tickets as well with you? I spoke about?
Those are civil infractions. They're already in default.
Their default?
Yes, ma'am.
So what does that mean? Do I have to pay them or no?
Yes, absolutely, you have to pay them. And the longer you go, because they're from 2021, you incur late fees.
They for 2017, these tickets.
Well, then you incur even more late fees. So you need to make sure you get paid.
Okay, thank you.
Good luck to you. right, this is the people versus Dan Davis, ticket number SP 1207353. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Oh. No rush. All right. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Pauline Stroken, Dan Davis.
Say your name, Mr. Davis.
Dan Davis.
Trying to find when he's on the docket.
You know, I don't think the officer appeared for this.
No, he did not. Today is the date and time set for trial, Your Honor. The officer did not appear. I'm waiting for dismissal.
I missed his. All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as the officer has failed to appear. You're all set, Mr. Davis. Good luck, sir. Good luck, Mr. Davis. You're all set.
Thank you.
This is the people versus Yasmin Sedano Davis, ticket number B127926, count 1, failure to provide a leash for or a responsible person for a dog off the owner's property. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Ms. Davis Sedano.
Ms. Davis Sedano, say your name, please.
Yasmin Cedeno Davis.
Your Honor, my understanding the ticket was a nuisance ticket for dog barking. That's what the docket indicates, and that's what Ms. Hornet said.
It says failure to, I'm reading from the actual ticket, and it says failure to provide a leash / or responsible person for a dog off the owner's property.
Ms. Davis Siendo, did that occur?
What was that again?
Was your dog outside your yard when it wasn't on the leash?
Oh, yes, one time, yeah.
Okay, Your Honor, so it would be the same recommendation, the delayed sentence.
Yes.
I did explain that to my client. At this time, she's willing to waive her rights and enter into a plea. I did try to bring the officer out, but there was a lot of background noise and I don't think they heard me.
Oh. I'll open it up. All right, raise your right hand, Ms. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Roki, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving the right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to bring your attention to the date of August 26, 2022 at the address of 67084 Forward in the city of Detroit. Did you fail to provide a leash or responsible person for your dog that was off the owner's property?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
I'm satisfied.
The court is also satisfied on a factual basis will accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing. This is a 6-month delayed sentence, Ms. Davis Sedano. So that means you have 6 months to pay the fine of $200. You also can't get any more tickets or violations or citations or anything. So essentially no further police contact. Once you've paid the fine and you haven't got any more tickets, when you come back on your next court date, which is going to be August 10th at 8:35, this will be dismissed off your record.
Okay, thank you.
Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, just before you hang up, Officer Wimberly. It's like he came out and then left. All right, well, all right. Any other questions?
No.
You're all set. Okay, you're all set, ma'am. Good luck.
All right, you have a good day.
You too, thank you. What about Risby Lewis? It can be failed to display.
I thought maybe they had other tickets. So let's just, no, I thought there's somebody you told me to wait on. Oh, we got Miss
That was
Miss-
Eric. That was Eric Ray.
So have we done that one?
No. You gotta go, he had more tickets.
All right, well, I'll talk to Isby Lewis and then, so fail to display.
Okay, Your Honor, I bring out Mr. Ray and put him back in the breakout room. What did you do it?
Okay.
Hold on. Let me see.
He's back in the weight room.
He's still in the bed.
Off like a balloon. That little bottle.
Got it right here. It's right here.
Mr. Ray,
Yes.
okay, they found more of your tickets, some more tickets. I'm put you back in the breakout room, but when I bring you out, you're gonna have to be sitting up. You can't be in the bed like that.
All right. What you mean they found more tickets?
They found, the judge found more. The judge found more citations. So we gonna try to take care of everything today.
Man, would it be a way that I'll be able to speak with my attorney? Because
That's what I'm about to let you do.
All right.
And please don't forget, when you come out, you can't be in bed.
All right.
I'm put you in breakout room 3.
All right.
So we're waiting on Ms. Horn to come back to give Ms. Robinson an offer, so she can either go back in